Alright guys, so some of the strategies I've been looking at and testing for finding topics that we can use for creating really good checklists. I've been using Ahrefs. Now you can take a trial of Ahrefs, and what you can do here is you can just type in a website like this, like medium.com, okay? And when you click on medium.com, when you're in the site explorer, you can come down and click on the top pages, and then from there what you can do is you can actually put in some keywords in here and see the best pages for rankings and traffic. We're looking for traffic volumes in here, okay, in medium.com for that particular keyword, okay? So that's one way that we can use it. But before we even get there, let's have a look at this. This is just in medium.com. I haven't put any keyword in here, and all I've done is go into the top pages, okay? So I'm in Ahrefs, I went to Site Explorer, put in medium.com, then I chose top pages. That's where we are right now, and you can see as we scroll down, if we just keep an eye on here, the top keyword, okay, it's just easier to read. And here's an idea straight away, how to take CBD oil, okay? You can go over there and you can see 16,750. That's traffic per month. Traffic per month. There's a great opportunity there if you want to give people a guide or a step-by-step. Okay, so that's one way that we can use that. Also, that gives me other ideas. Maybe you can put it on some other sites, okay, something similar, or link to this from some other sites. One of the main advantages of medium.com is it does rank very, very well, okay? Over here you can see the positions, okay, so you can see that one is actually ranking for position number 1, and as we come down we can see some more ideas as well. Let's see what else. Okay, there must be something. I'm sure we'll find something. CBD oil dosage. There we go. It's another one. If you were doing an affiliate, as an affiliate for this niche, there's a great opportunity. You can combine these, and you can be putting, you can be getting a lot of traffic, and I don't think the conversion rate would be huge, but I'm sure you could get some sales if you were getting people onto an email list first of all, and then advertising some things maybe on ClickBank or something that's to do with CBD oil. I have no idea what this is. I don't know what this is. I can't even pronounce that, but it's got quite a lot of search volume in here, and they're ranking number 2, and it's getting 4,700 searches per month. I've got no even idea what that is, but there's very, very, very easy ways that we can get some ideas. Okay, I'm going to stop there, and what we can do is another one here, automation tools. I've actually looked at this one before, and it's actually kind of clever the way they've done it. And this is a different strategy. This is like a medium comparison hack. Why do I call it that? That's just an image. This here, it's just an image. Okay, so maybe they've taken it from the original blog post, okay, where they've got a comparison chart, and they've just taken an image and they've put it in here, some information, and they put some comparison. Now have a look at what's important about this one, the automation tools. It's at number 1, and it's getting 3,668 traffic per month. Now you can see here the search volume is 1,900, so it's kind of similar to YouTube, where search volumes don't mean anything. The actual traffic that can be coming into a post like this because of the search results, because of the traffic within the actual platform itself, and the social media recommendations can be quite huge as well. So it's probably got a lot of social shares, I would imagine, as well. Okay, so that's some good ideas that you can use there. Right now, what we can do is we can scroll up to the top, and here I can put in some keywords. Okay, so I'm in medium.com, and the kind of keyword I want to put in here, review. Why do I want to put in review? Because it's affiliate marketing, and I'm kind of into affiliate marketing stuff. But usually when you see these product launches happening week after week, what you will find is that you will see that a lot of people are actually using Medium blogs to do their reviews, okay? And it's an interesting way to do it because it's quite easy to rank on medium.com. Now you saw me there using it. It's called SEO Tools Agency. Yeah, it's a group buy, and I use it from time to time just to get access to these kind of tools, because I don't want to pay hundreds of dollars every month. If you want a link to this, I'll put it underneath the video. Up to you if you want to use it or not, or take a real trial with Ahrefs. I like to use this because I don't need it that frequently, to be honest. Right, let's have a look now. I'm going to go into medium.com. I'm just going to come back into top pages again, where I am. This time we're going to put in keyword review. Keep an eye out for deals on places like appsumo.com, appsumo.com, appsumo. They often will have, keyword tools or SEO tools. I got from them SEPstat. I think I paid about $50 or something like that, and it's very kind of similar to this. Not very similar. It's kind of similar to this, and you can do a lot with it. It's not quite. It doesn't have quite the same size of database as what Ahrefs has, but that's the kind of tool I use more often because I've paid for it already. I don't need to pay for it again. I don't need to be paying hundreds of dollars every month for that. Okay, so here we've got in the word review. Okay, and now what we can do is we can see there's a whole bunch of words, URLs with the word review in it. Okay, and here we can see the top keyword. Okay, so we can start to scroll down and see if there's anything that really stands out that you can take advantage of. Now I'm looking at this as an affiliate. Okay, I'm looking at this for opportunities that we can create something in a checklist that's going to be really useful, that we can do sort of FAQ kind of lists with, but I'm not really seeing anything here that's really standing out. Okay, to be honest, I'll just keep coming down and see if there's anything I can even recognize. Free webinar platforms. No, nothing in here. And this is the search volume, the traffic volume here. You can see we're down to 288 here. Let's just try the next page and see. We might get lucky and see if we can find something that will maybe spark an idea. No, nothing really. Well, review is not the best way to use this one, and that's quite a surprise. Okay, so anyway, let's move on. Let's go to a new one. Let's go to wikihow.com. We'll do the same thing. We'll go to the top pages. We'll have a look and see what's there. So far what we got from medium.com was about CBD oil. Okay, that tells you that that kind of thing is not just CBD oil. Look broader into that kind of marketplace, and you will find other things as well that will be worth looking into. Okay, so WikiHow, you can see the traffic volume in WikiHow is absolutely huge as well. Okay, as we start to come down, how to remove super glue, 19,000. Somebody got stuck. 19,000 people got stuck every month. That's every month, and they're ranking for 869 keywords just for that one piece of content. That's crazy, isn't it? How to make a mailing list in Gmail. If you're looking for some kind of generic list building, this would be okay, but you need to know what your offers are going to be. You need to know beforehand what you're going to be doing with it. That list, that email list. I'm still looking. I'm just looking at the keywords down here. I just find it easier to work this way with this particular strategy. How to talk to girls, isn't there a ClickBank product about that? 6,459. There is ClickBank products for like how to talk to girls, and there's ClickBank products how to get your ex back and stuff like that. That's a good way you can use this, get some ideas. And you can see how they've done this and put it into some kind of a step-by-step or something like that. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to move out of this one. We can do this as well for sites like Quora. Okay, let's see what we can find for Quora. Quora.com. Okay, so I played around with this a little bit before I came back to it, before I switched to video back on, because I had to pause it there. What I found is that if you go very, very broad, things like marketing and YouTube, etc., you might find something. It's not that great for finding Quora.com answers, and I don't think the traffic volumes are correct either. Okay, going by what I've seen using some other tools, I don't think the traffic volumes for Quora in here is correct. But one that was kind of standing out for me is this one here, Marketing 360. This is a product by HanFan. You can get an affiliate link on Warrior Plus or JVisa or something like that and get very, very fast payment if you can make sales. And it's got 142 traffic per month. Okay, so this could be interesting. I don't know if this is because people know exactly what Marketing 360 is, okay, or they just see the name and they're clicking through. I've got no idea. I just found it interesting. What's the best online marketing forum? This one's interesting because this is more high ticket for an affiliate. Ty Lopez Social Media Marketing Agency Review. Okay, so you can see here it's not a huge amount of search volume, but 153 visits per month. Here you can see, is it worth buying Ty Lopez Social Media Marketing Program? The thing is with Quora, it's really easy, very, very easy to make yourself the top vote. Okay, you can go to websites like Pico Workers and Micro Workers. There's even tools. I even have a tool that does this, where you can put an answer, make sure it's a good answer, like a reasonable answer, so that people can see that you're actually putting some effort into it, and then get other accounts to vote you up. It's really that quick and that easy. I think Ryan Stewart did a case study on it, or he did a blog post on it at least anyway. He was quite upfront what he did and how it affected the results in Quora, and he got traffic, and he still gets traffic today from that. About 100 visits per month, I'm pretty sure he says, into his blog. So that's not a bad thing to do. If you're not into the grey hat stuff, then the thing to keep in mind with that is that other people are. If you're not doing it, they probably will. It's the way that you do it, it's the strategy behind how you do it. You can be really blatant and do it with poor content, or you can do it with high quality content that's actually really helpful to people and think, well, it deserves that. So it really is up to you. Anyway, that's how we can look at Quora as well. So you can do the same thing as well with some other sites. It doesn't work so well with YouTube. What you can do with YouTube is you can go into the top content. It's got a section over here for top content, and it will show you the top content by shares, okay, from that particular website. So just some ideas how you can use Ahrefs in a very, very simple way. There's nothing hard here at all. Very easy, very simple way. But as you saw, there's nothing really stood out and like amazing. But maybe you got some other ideas. Maybe you got some thoughts of your own how to use this, or maybe this can just inspire you to find something else. I did see somebody do something like this. Tattoo, was it? Is that a way to spell tattoo? Has it got two T's? Yeah, two T's. Let's see what tattoo brings up. I saw this guy had actually done this on a Black Hat forum, and he found one for tattoo, which is, you know, I'm looking for marketing kind of keywords, so maybe you can find something here like for the keyword tattoo for that niche. It's completely different, so maybe that will inspire you to have a look and find some things for yourself. Thank you for